All right, guys. Good morning, everybody.
Oh,
This is Andrew. I'm going to do the recap. Had a really nice morning. So TQQ. Well, the only position that I have right now is a bit short AMC, and so I
wow.
did shorted AMC really nicely, and then we get a really nice move on NVDA and TQQ. I missed most of the run, unfortunately, on AMC. Sorry, on TQQ and NVDA. So let's go through NVDA. So the first trade was 1 minute opening range breakup on NVDA. So it opened strong. We went long, popped up, sold some, and then I added more. And then sold more at 172.50, and then suddenly the market just rolled over, and I got to stop that at the break even. So that's the first trade. The second trade, market really squeezed back up in a 5 minute. We got a really engulfing bullish engulfing crack. I went long again, popped up, sold, and then came down and got stopped me almost at the break even. And as soon as I got out, the market started taking off again and went up again. So that's very unfortunate because that was a really nice run that we could get. But the first trade was profitable. The second one was also profitable. Just it is what it is. But I got the same move was exactly the same that I got on TQQ as well. So these are correlated moves that they're all moving with the market. So again, really rallied up. This is a 5 minute bullish engulfing crack. You went long, added more, popped up, sold some, and then I added more a little bit, and then I got stopped out. Came back up again. I went long, but I just said, what am I doing? I had a really good day. There's no point for me to be in there, and I got out. But still, the move is continuing. Um, AMC. So these are essentially the same the three trades that I did. AMC at the open, sold off. Tested the VWAP, sold off. I went long, short, added more, and then it really squeezed up, and I got out at the VWAP popped up. I didn't trade it after that. It dropped again from the VWAP. I went short again at 1065, and as you see, I just ride it down all the way to 990, and I still have 2,000 shares in there. So I'm just holding. My average is at 1063. So holding there and sitting down there and see what it's gonna do. Yeah, so the market after a couple of days of big drop, I think user bouncing back, IWM is bouncing back. We'll see where it goes. Brian, how was your trading day?
It was pretty good. I had a really nice opening short on Zoom. It just dropped like a stone, but then it came back up, and I added back to my position, and didn't drop again. So ended up losing money on that second part. So it really kind of wiped out a lot of the profit I made on that first drop.
That's a
But
perfect
then Zoom's,
rising devil that you have, just
yeah,
down
yeah,
11%. You discussed the trade book in the
yeah.
webinar.
But it didn't really work. Didn't work as well as a lot of the other ones did. So anyway, so I went to XPEV because XPEV was looking really weak, and it was selling off. It was a lot more. It traded a lot more cleanly than XPEV. So I shorted XPEV. Got in a little bit late on XPEV, around 1950. But got a nice move through 19, and then last bit I took off was at 1850. So yeah, really nice move there. Yeah. Other than that, I just bought XLE at the open because I knew it was going to go higher
Yeah, you
because I've
mentioned that.
seen this. Yeah, I've seen this before. I just bought it at the open at around 80.60, and then basically I just held on to it all the way up, and I just sold the last bit at 82.50. Seems to be a little bit toppy right now, so
Yeah,
that was
awesome.
yeah, good day overall.
Yeah, it was a really good trading day. We missed a couple of moves, but it was a really solid day. So tonight is the webinar by me, guys. So I'll talk about the risk management. So that's something that's it's very important. I want to talk about the recent trades and what was my stop loss, what was the break even, and how the trade management would be. And other than that, yeah, guys, if you have any question, email me, Andrew at Bearable Traders. If not, I'll just getting ready for the webinar. Anything from you, Brian?
No, that's it. I do have a swing position in natural gas. I've sold more of it today, so getting down to the last little bit of it here. but I'm just going to hold on to it if it continues to go higher. That's
Awesome.
about it.
Awesome.
Right.
Thank you so much, guys, and have a good day.